Hello guys, today let's learn how to play the beautiful song Kuch Kuch Hota Hai through our flute. Okay, so notation you can get it from my WhatsApp channel, link in the description. Today I'm using my C natural medium scale flute, and you guys can use any flute that you have, just use the same fingering. Okay, so today I will teach you how to play the chorus and verse. About the notation, notes, everything are clear, but when you play ma, you guys must play tivrama, not shuddhama. Whenever you play ma, it should be tivrama. Okay, so this one is an easy one. Let's learn how to play it by line by line. First line goes like this. Ni sa ni da pa ni. Not in lower range. You guys must play it on higher range. Not like that. In higher range. Okay. One more time. Ni sa ni da pa ni. And one more time. Same line. Ni sa ni da pa ni. So same lines for 2 times. Okay. And then da ni dha pa ma dha ri, dha ni dha pa tir ma dha ri. Okay, and then da pa 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 da pa pa, or like that. Okay, and then one more time and then this time it get a little bit changed, one single note. Okay, ni sa ni da pa ni, and then second time ni sa ni da pa ri ni, ni sa ni da pa ri ni, like that. One more time, both lines. Like that, and then again. Da ni da pa ma da ri, da pa, same as we played before. Okay, so and then next part. Pa pa da ni ga re, pa pa da ni ga ga re, pa pa da ni ga re, all in high range. Pa pa da ni ga re, pa pa da ni ga ga re, and then da ni da pa ma ga ga re, dha ni dha pa ma ga ga re, and then kuch kuch hota hai. Da pa pa da ni. One more time. Da pa pa. That one goes like pa da ni. Okay, and then again. Da ni da pa ma ga ga re. Da da sa ni da pa pa. Da da sa ni dha pa pa. Okay, so chorus part is done. Let's move to the verse. So verse goes like this. Let's play it line by line. Ni sa re re ga re sa ni da da ni sa re. One more time. Ni sa re re ga re sa ni da da ni sa re, and then play the same line for 2 times. Okay, one more time. Ni sa re re ga re sa ni da da ni sa re. Okay, so same line for 2 times. And then pani dha pama madari, pani dha pama madhari. Okay, pani dha pama madari, and then paga gari gari sari sa, paga gari sari sa. Okay, and then re pa ma pa dha ni, re pa ma pa dha ni. And then you guys need to play as we played that part before also. Starting from pa pa dha ni ga re, pa pa dha ni ga ga re. That part for one more time in here. Here I'll play whole part one time. So this is how we play Kuch Kuch Hota Hai song through our flute. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys will able to play this beautiful song after watching this tutorial. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practice. Thank you for watching.